Let's continue. MCQ number 16. A shirt requires 1.5 meters of fabric. How many shirts can be made from 10 meters of fabric? Letter A, 5. Letter B, 6. Number 7. Letter C, 7. Letter D, 8. MCQ number 17. Each pillowcase requires 0.6 meter of cloth. How much cloth is needed for 4 pillowcases? A. 1.8 meters, B. 2.0 meters, C. 2.4 meters, letter D. 3.4 meters. MCQ number 18. A dress requires 3 meters of fabric. If you have 15 meters of fabric, how many dresses can be made? Letter A, 3. B, 4. Letter C, 5. Letter D, 6. MCQ number 19. A seamstress has 20 meters of cloth. If she uses 2.5 meters for each pair of pants, how many pairs can she make? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. MCQ number 20. A skirt requires 1.2 meters of fabric. If you have 4 meters of fabric, is it enough to make 3 skirts? A. Yes, with 0.2 meter left over. B. Yes, with 0.4 meter left over. Letter C. No, fabric is short. Letter D. No, need 5 meters. Our answer key for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 4, estimating and measuring lengths and distances in practical situations, is as follows. Number 1, letter C, 3 meters. Number 2, A, the width of your palm. Number 3, letter B, 6. Number 4, letter C, 2 meters. Number 5, letter C, 7 meters. Number 6, letter B, ruler. Number 7, letter B, 1.2 meters. Number 8, C, 40 meters. Number 9, C, 0.1 meter. Number 10, letter C, 2.0 meters. Number 11, the correct answer is letter D, 48 meters squared. Number 12, the correct answer is letter D, 6 meters squared. Number 13, the correct answer is C, 375 meters squared. Number 14, the correct answer is C, 150. Number 15, the correct answer is letter D, 20. Number 16, the correct answer is B, 6. Number 17, the correct letter is C, 2.4 meters. Number 18, the correct answer is letter C, 5. Number 19, the correct answer is letter C, 8. Number 20, the correct answer is letter B, yes, with 0.4 meter left over. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.